What's going on, guys? The Beard here at Orlando Harley-Davidson. I am here to show you this 2021 Street Glide Special in Snake Venom, Harley's custom paint color for 2021. It changes from green to purple whenever the sun hits it. So this bike is phenomenal. The attention to detail and hard work that they put in to get this paint to flip like that is just amazing. So it also has the Freedom 1 from Harley-Davidson. So all of my Evel Knievel fans, if you like to get a little rowdy and a little crazy, you have to have the Evel Knievel 1 on your bike. Like I said, it's on the front, on the fairing, and back here on the saddlebag. The 2021 Street Glide Special comes with your Milwaukee 8 114. That is 1,870 cc's. 1,870 cc's of raw Harley-Davidson power. So this Street Glide here is featured with a blacked out trim. In 2021, Harley-Davidson did listen to the consumer, and now you can get the Street Glide Specials and Road Glide Specials with black or chrome trim. This one is just blacked out, and I absolutely love it. On the 2021 Street Glide Special, you also get your painted inner fairing and your stretch bags. So it definitely helps with that aesthetic look that your bike flows with that gloss black, vivid black paint job. And then the lines just look a whole lot better with those stretch bags. What's new for 2021 on the specials is you get a side mounted gas tank. So no more big hinge right in the middle to where it's gonna stop working as soon as you need it to close. You take off, it's raining, it pops up and it won't snap down. Well, guess what? Harley listened again. Side mounted gas tank. And also what's new for 21 is they went back to the cable clutch. So no more hydraulic clutches. We know that a lot of you guys were having trouble with finding the friction zone and adjusting your clutch to your riding style and personal reach. Well, Harley-Davidson listened to you and went back to the cable, so it's easier to adjust. The 2021 Street Glide Special also comes with RDRS, which is like ABS on steroids. It is the reflexive defensive rider system. I personally have it on my bike. I know a lot of you say, oh, I didn't need ABS when they started putting them on back in the day. Well, guess what? Ride this, I promise you, you will not want to ride without it. One simple feature that comes with that is hill assist. So what you do whenever you're parked up on a hill, as long as you're in first gear, clearly if you're in first gear, you're going to have the clutch pulled in and engaged. What you do is you take that front brake and click. Then you'll have a little H that pops up on the gear indicator letting you know that the hill assist is active. So what you can do from that point is release your hand off of any of the brakes, and I guarantee you when that H is engaged, your bike will not roll back a half inch. So whenever that green light turns on, because you always seem to get stopped on a hill on a red light and you got 18 cars behind you and you're worried about rolling back, that is no more as long as you have the RDRS system equipped on your Harley-Davidson. So with the RDRS system, you also get right angle valves to air up your tires. So no more having to fight with the rotor, fight with the hose. You just come straight in from the side and air it up that way. But also you don't have to do the old school air valve gauge. So not only with the right angle valves to air up your tires, they also come standard with tire sensors. So what that does with your boom infotainment system is it'll show an alert and let you know that you have 1, low tire pressure, 2, exactly which tire it is, but it's also gonna pop up and ask you if you wanna be taken to the nearest convenience store or wherever there's air readily available. So that's a nice feature. If you're in a place that you don't know and your tire's low, your Harley's gonna let you know, and it's gonna tell you where to go. All you gotta do is hit yes, and it will auto-populate the route to the nearest convenience store or air pump station. It also comes equipped with the boom infotainment system that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, brand new for 2021. Another thing that's new for 2021 on your Street Glide Specials is you now have the CVO style low profile blacked out engine guard. And of course, if you decide to go with the chrome trim, it also comes in chrome. But this just gives it a nice sleek look. You can still, big question we have is, can I still rock my highway pegs? Well, of course you can, Steve. You can always rock highway pegs when you're on a Street Glide Special. Just make sure when you do, and you decide that this 2021 Snake Venom custom paint color for 2021 only, and you decide that this 2021 Street Glide Special is the one that you want to take home, make sure you come up to Orlando Harley-Davidson, ask for the beard, and let's get you on this badass bike and have you the envy of the neighborhood. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go like, follow, and subscribe to all of Orlando Harley stuff, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. And if you want to get more of the beard, you can also follow me on my own page at The Beard HD on Instagram, or Joshua the Beard at Orlando Harley on Facebook. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe for a lot of great content, great motorcycles, great people, and the greatest dealership here in Central Florida.